Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now click on lock screen, tap on screen lock type and select one of the available locking methods, swipe pattern pin or password by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with pattern, so now I have to draw it. Click continue, draw it again and select confirm. Over here you can adjust notifications on your lock screen or turn them off completely by clicking on the switcher. When you're done, click done. If you want to back up your pattern, go with continue and log in into your Samsung account. But I don't want to do that, so I will just turn off my screen and turn it back on to see if pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!